You can now post more than 10 pictures or videos on Instagram. Want to know how? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Select Multiple icon at the top beside the camera icon. Now start selecting the pictures. Tap on Next after you're done. But remember, the limit is only 20 photos or videos. Now edit the pictures as you like. After you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Now you can add captions, location, tag people, or add music to your post. After you're satisfied, simply tap on Share. And that is how to share more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.